Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an appointment in the Wells Fargo app. Later in this video, I will also show you my favorite money transfer service for sending money quickly and securely. First, open the Wells Fargo app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. After that, a menu will appear. From there, tap on Help and Support. Inside this section, you will see the option called Make an Appointment. Tap on it to continue. Next, Wells Fargo will ask you the reason for your visit. You can choose from different categories such as account updates, banking questions, loans, or other services. Select the option that matches your reason for visiting the branch. After selecting your reason, tap on the Next button. Now choose the date you would like to visit the Wells Fargo location. Then enter your zip code, city, or state to search for nearby branches. The app will show available Wells Fargo locations along with appointment times. Select the branch and time slot that works best for you. Once you choose your appointment time, tap Next again. After that, Wells Fargo will display your contact information. Review it carefully because the banker may contact you regarding your appointment. You may also have the option to receive text message reminders. If everything looks correct, tap on Next and then confirm your appointment details. Finally, tap on Confirm Appointment. Wells Fargo will then show a confirmation screen, and you may also receive a confirmation email with your appointment information. That's it. That is how you can make an appointment in the Wells Fargo app. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.